Good evening, everybody. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing quite well today. And this is one of the items that I'll probably be using for Super Bowl. Okay, so I'm making chicken in the basket on the stick, okay? And I'm going to be reading Proverbs 13 and 30. The light of the eyes rejoices the heart, and good news refreshes the bones. Okay, Proverbs 15 and 30. Thank you so much. Oh, okay, so these are the items that I'll be using for the seasoning items that I'll be using. Okay.
You have black pepper, complete, paprika, and onion powder and garlic powder.
Okay. All right, good. Okay. So now, okay, I have my, now this is the chicken on the stick that we call chicken in the basket on the stick. I have potatoes, chicken, pickles, and a potato, and another chicken.
And peppers.
And pepper, and a pepper, okay. Now I've got to put a pepper on this one. There's not a, hand me the pepper, because I got to put a pepper on this one. Okay. And these are jalapeno sliced peppers. Well, that one in here. Give me this one. Some of these peppers are not together good. Okay. Okay. So this is what it's going to look like. So now I'm getting ready to put the, and after the chicken goes, all right, I have the potato, those next. Sometimes these potatoes are a little bit tougher than others. Sometimes some of them are softer, even though it might take a little. Okay, the next thing is my pickle. Okay, and the next thing is the pepper. Some of the peppers don't want to work either today. All right, so. All right, this is the pepper. And then the chicken again. Okay. And then then the next thing will be another pickle. And then a potato. A pepper, and then a potato. Okay. All right. And then a potato. Okay. Now this is the way you make a chicken in the basket on a stick. Now, I already have the batter made. I'm putting it in an egg, just egg batter. Nothing but egg. I'll beat up already. I'm putting got onion powder. Let me put this one in. I have it in my hand. Okay, garlic powder. Okay, black pepper. Black pepper make you sneeze. Okay. Okay. All right. Complete. Okay. And paprika.
Oh my God. He said, let's get it all back. I'm gonna try.
Okay. And then I'm going to put it into the egg batter.
Now,
Okay.
now he
I'm
said,
going to put another one in there also. Now I'm going to take it to the deep. Now I'm going to put it in the flour batter. Okay.
whoa. There. Now. Make.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, can I try?
Okay.
Can you try?
Hold on just a minute. Just a minute. Let me get this one down because I have to put it in the hot grease.
Good. Yeah, some like
I'll have to go in the hot grease, okay? Be careful so you won't fall. Okay. Okay. I've got to make sure that I have the flour batter will be covering it also. So I'm going to go to the deep fryer and start putting them in right now. All right, I'm making oven barbecue chicken wings. So these are the seasonings that I'll be putting on. My
paprika. She got garlic powder. She got garlic powder, paprika, complete, black pepper, and onion powder. She has liquid smoke, and she has sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce.
Okay, so I'm getting ready. I'm just going to be pouring it on. I'm just seasoning according to what I think I have to do. Okay. Oh, yeah, let me put some on. Putting on the liquid smoke right now.
Look like that. My good is doing that.
Okay.
So her hair could be dirty.
Yeah. This is the liquid smoke for the barbecue. Okay. For the barbecue chicken. So,
Maybe go do that if you go put this in there.
all right, now. Everything else has been on here. So now all I have to put on now is my, all right.
That's paprika, y'all.
Okay. Complete. Not complete now. So come. All right. That's it.
That's one good.
Okay. Wait a minute. That's enough. Okay. This is my black pepper.
Can I try this first? And this up?
Okay. Wait, that was black pepper. All right. Now she's gonna put on the sweet
Where's
Ray.
Mara at?
Sweet baby Ray. Okay. I'm going to help her a little bit because the bottle's a little bit big for her. Come on. You can do it. Okay. All right.
My turn. It's gonna be this one.
Okay.
Well, my hand.
All right. Now,
Now?
the monkey's going to put on the brown sugar. Okay. I'll spread it because she doesn't have any gloves on. Okay. I'm going to have to get just a little bit more brown. All right.
I'm gonna rub this.
Yeah, this is very good. Okay. All right, now we have everything mixed in here. So we're getting ready to put it in the oven at 375, 400 for about 40 minutes, 45 minutes.
No,
The wings are not too, they're not too thick, they're not too big rather.
5 minutes.
They're medium size, okay? So now I'm going to put it in the oven. I'll be back when they're finished. Thank you. Getting ready now to make the sausage wraps. And I'm making them out of croissants and the little piggy sausage. And I'm putting like Miracle Whip and mustard and beating it together. And then I'll be putting it on the little bit of croissant pieces. And then I'll be wrapping it. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Okay.
I'm gonna try. You shall try the goodie.
Okay. Okay.
Makes me.
Okay. All right, now. Okay. All right. Wait. Oh. Here. Here. Okay, you're gonna wrap. You're gonna get one and wrap. Okay. Wait a minute, did you put the salad dressing on your man? You have to wrap with. You gotta put them. You have to put them. Okay, now it's ready to be wrapped. Okay. Now. Okay. You have to spread before I put it in the oven. Okay, now it's ready to go. And it will be in there for about 15 minutes.
We'll be back.
Okay, now I'm getting ready to prepare ham and cheese slides, okay? And what I've done, I've already mixed my cranberries and mayo for the dressing of the sandwiches, okay? So I'm getting ready to put it on right now. I'm going to be putting on ham and cheese. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, y'all, it's very simple, easy to make. Okay, y'all, when we get through with everything, we'll be back to show you this.
Okay. All right, everybody. This is Miss Lena, and I am back with all my finishing touches to all of the goodies that I have. There is 3 different kinds of chicken. The one I have in front of me is lemon pepper, and it looks so delicious. Okay. And this is just the regular fried chicken, which I will be having with this is ranch dressing, and this is the barbecue chicken. And this is the chicken in the basket, okay? On the stick. Chicken in the basket on the stick. All right. That's very good. Okay. Now we're coming back. We have the slide sandwiches, okay? And they're made with the ham and cheese, okay? And I also have on the other side here, I have the wrap sausage, okay? All right. So now this is what I have, and then this is a cucurella board.
Okay.
All right, and this has all of the different little things on the cucurella board. Okay, so this is what I have now. So this is the finishing touches of what I have for the dinner for your DJ's birthday dinner, and this will be something that we will also have for Super Bowl Sunday. So if you all will just stop and check it out. And thank you so much for watching. Please keep on watching, subscribing, and your comments. And also share. And always don't forget to put your likes on and notification button. So much. Goodbye, everybody.